Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can name a link in Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply choose a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.docs.google.com. As you do so, you will end up in the official website of Google Docs. So you can simply select a file or project to start with, and once you have selected a project, all you need to do is simply tap on space where you want to insert your link, press on insert link. After you do so, you need to simply insert a link and press on apply. After you do this, all you need to do is simply choose the link and click on the edit link option. So here in the text box, now you need to simply write the name of your preference and tap on the apply button. Once you do this, the link will be named, and this is how you name a link on Google Doc. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.